Hey guys, welcome to the live. Today I'm starting my first 6 months diploma course, and we are at the institute, and students are here. I'm starting the class. So from now onward, for the next 6 months, I'll be uploading the class details. So today's topic is website designing. What are the prerequisites of the website design? I'm going to explain. Okay, people have are not there. You can see here. If anyone comes here, we can see the numbers. Okay. So yes, hello guys who have joined the session. You can say hi. So today is the first class of 6 months diploma course. We'll be uploading live every day, 5:30 something. All the modules will be covered over here. So good evening for everybody. Stay tuned. 1 to 1.5 hour. The live will be there. Okay. Let me share the screen here. Guys, maybe I will not take your questions now, maybe for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll take your questions. Thank you. Right. I'm sharing the screen. People who are live, I think you can see my screen. If so, just tell me yes, so that we'll move forward. Right. Right. Can you give me a smartphone? Open YouTube and give me. Okay. I'm checking actually whether it's working or not. Just give me some time, guys. Can you see this? It's live. Now what they can see, let's see. Yeah, so whatever I'm showing here, it is available here. Correct? Right. Okay. I'm telling about website designing. Can you tell me any one website name? Any website name? Ola. www.ola.com. Any website name? Okay. www.google.com. Instagram.com. People say is that Amazon.in. These are all the websites. Can you please tell me what is this www? What is Ola? What is .com?
So what is difference between .com and .is?
I'll come back to that. Before that, tell me what is www?
Worldwide.
Means what? Means what?
To search anything, we first type www.
Without that, it will not come.
We come, but after clicking that also, we will get www.
Okay.
Even after searching also, we will get it in barcodes.
Okay. What is this Ola?
An online website which is used to do caption.
No, Google, Instagram, what do you call it generically? Name. Okay. What is this .com.in?
That means only in India.
Means .in means only India means the website will appear only in India, or else it will come in US as well. Then what is the difference? .in means what? Okay, let me explain now. So your name is Pawan, right?
Yes.
In this classroom, assume that all of your name is Pawan. Then if I call Pawan, who will respond? Problem, right? That's why I put a rule like in a classroom only one Pawan should be there, so that there will be no problem. Correct? Assume that there are 10 people who have the website name Amazon. Problem, right? First of all, is it possible?
No, it is not.
So no two websites have the same name. In classroom, this rule is imposed by me. In World Wide Web, this is imposed by this guy. World Wide Web. It's an internet consortium company who will organize the complete internet. He's just putting the rules. Without that, also website will come. If you type just ola.com, also it will come. Now his name is Pawan. The company name is Ola, Google, Instagram. This is called domain. Domain means name of the website. Name of the website. There are a number of names. You might see crickbuzz.com, espn.com, okay, mintra.com. Now these .com, .in are called extensions. These are called extensions. Can you please tell me what are the extensions you have? Like we have .com, we have .in, next, .co.in, next, .org, have you seen? .edu, education, next, .gov, government. In such way, there are many, but these days, so many extensions came. Like if you see this, cult.fit,
Yes.
or .fit also came. Now .online came, .biz came, so many extensions. Now the confusion is which one I have to take. There are n number of things. Which one I have to take? First of all, try to understand why they have started this many things. Like, assume that in this classroom, there are three pawns. I can't say that only one should be here. And there is no option that I can change your name. Then what I can say?
We should add some extensions like power one.
Surnames we have.
Yeah.
Surnames can't be changed. I'll try with surnames. Okay? People try like this. Okay? So Pavan Miryala one, Pavan Mangalam one. In such a way we can do this. In the same way, most of the people are coming. Next thing is bike registration, that vehicle registration. We have only 4 digits. Correct? Vehicle registration 4 only, bike or car. So with the 4 digits, at most, how many vehicles you will register? More than? There are 4 digits, right? At most, how many bikes or cars you can register? Maximum
999.
9,999. Not more than that. But we have more bikes, right? More than 1 lakh bikes. Then what we have to do?
TS07, TS08.
Correct?
Yes. Which requires
First of all, we started stage wise. Now TS triple nine, 4 nines, AP 4 nines in such a way. Again, TS also we have more than that. That's why we added district wise. 01, 02. These are the numbering system. Same thing here as well. Earlier days, where are less websites are there, so people are having .com only, .in only. Nowadays, so many people are coming. That's why they come up with these kind of extensions. But normal public know only 2 things. Especially I'm talking about India. .com they know, .in they know. So either take .com or .in. Again, here is the question again, whether to take .com or .in. Let's take Pawan want to take .com. Let him take. No one else in the world can take this website again because he purchased it. But people can take Pawan.in. Pawan.com is different, Pawan.in is different. Both of us targeting Indian customers only. We are selling the products related to the Indians. Pawan.in have a very good chance of coming on top on Google. Someone searching about the product. Pawan.in have a very good chance of coming on top because .in is local in India. So whenever you're targeting India, better take .in. It doesn't mean that this will not come in US. This will come in US, but in India, its value is more. If you want to target US, will you take .in or .com? .com, right? .us. .us is local in US. In such a way, every country have a country-specific extension. Like UK have .uk, Australia have .au. In such a way. Now, want to target complete world, then go for .com. Clear? Now, I asked you the website name www.ola.com. You understood complete things, right? What is what? Now you know what is www, what is Ola, what is this. Before that, you are just a normal internet user. So you don't need this much depth knowledge. Now you are a digital marketer, so you should know everything. Okay. So what we understood is in order to create a website, we require a domain. Domain is nothing but name of the website. Okay. I'm just telling this as a SIM card. Domain name is same like a SIM card. You buy SIM card, right? You got a new SIM card today, and you put it in your pocket. Can I able to call you? What do you have to do?
It should come to existence.
You will be activating.
Activate.
Is that enough?
No, sir. We should do balance.
Done. Everything is done. Can I able to call your new number? Or you have to do something? You have to put it in a phone because I can't call SIM card.
Yes.
In the same way, domain is nothing. Only domain you can't do anything. You need a phone. This is called hosting. Hosting is nothing but space in a server. I'm going to show you with the diagram. Just here. Right. Guys who are online, if you have any questions, you can ask me here. Right. Now, Amazon have more than 1 crore products. Amazon, shoes, laptop, whatever it might be. Uh, but where the data is stored? Is it stored in my system
No.
or Amazon system?
Yeah.
So data is not stored in any system, it's stored in the server. So let's show you how that will be. So this is the big server. Yeah, in this server, different websites data is stored. This is one website, this is another website, this is another website. Data has been stored. Assume that this is the complete globe, and this is the different countries. Now assume that this is India. From India, one guy searched Amazon. Then this request go from LAN and WAN, it will go to the server. Now server will start searching where is Amazon. Where is Amazon? Among these three websites, which website is Amazon website? You don't know, right? You stored the data, but you forgot to name. So first of all, you have to buy space in a server. What all your products are there, services you have to store here, and you have to name it. So that name is Amazon. Website name is Amazon.in. Now another website, Flipkart.com. Now another website is abc.com. In such a way, to create a website, first of all, buy domain name. Then all your data you have to store in a server. Now see, whenever someone search Amazon, this will go to LAN, and it will start fetching. Server will find where is Amazon. Amazon is here. The complete data is given to this guy. This is how it works. You simply sitting on your smartphone and just typing like this, but this much of process is there. A conclusion. In order to create a website, two things are mandatory. What are that?
One is domain and another server.
Hosting. Good. So one is this domain is important. One is this hosting also important. So let me do that. Domain, which is name of the website. Next is hosting. Space in a server. Now domain plus hosting equals to website. Domain plus hosting equals to website. So we have to buy this. This is not free of cost. You have to buy domain. You have to buy hosting so that you can have a website. So as I said, domain is like a SIM card. Hosting is like a phone. If you mix both of them, you can make calls. Where will you buy SIM card, guys? Is it free of cost or how?
No, we should,
Where will you buy?
yes. In mobile phones.
Okay, which one you prefer? Airtel, Uninar, we have many.
Most probably,
Uninar, maybe signal is low, so you'll go for Airtel,
yes.
according to you. In the same way, we have a domain name providers. There are so many domain name providers. So Bluehost, GoDaddy, HostGator, domain.com, SiteGround. These are all the domain name providers. You just have to go there and you have to find whether the domain is available or not. If it is available, you can buy it. Even hosting also you can buy from them. Let's see.
So we can't create our own domain.
No.
Can you able to create your SIM card? Obviously, this is also it's done by someone else. Only we have to use. Can I be a domain name provider? You should ask me a question like this. Can I start a company? Obviously, if you think you can start it. But it's a very big process. Now I'm going to the Bluehost. Okay. So here we have domain option. I'm searching the domain name. I should that Pawan want to take a domain name. So he want to take pawan.com only. What is the cost of SIM card? 20 rupees, 30 rupees, maybe 100 rupees. But will you pay 1 lakh rupees for a domain name? Some people pay.
Some people face.
Triple eight, double eight, triple eight, double eight. Fancy numbers.
Yes.
People are ready to pay 1 lakh rupee also for that. In the same way, domain names start from 99 rupees. But sometimes, if domain is very crazy and it's very easy, most of the people love to take that name, automatically the price will increase. First of all, we have to search here whether the domain name is available or not. Now, I don't know pawan.com is available or not. So, I come back here, I'm searching whether the pawan.com is available or not. Pawan.com search. Sorry, pawan.com is unavailable. But if you want, you can take these things. See, dot delivery, the extension is delivery. Dot baby, different names is giving. Instead of pawan, is giving different names. So let us try to find something else. pawannews.com, let me try. You want to start a blog, so Pawan News you want to start. This is also not available, but he's saying that pawannews.co.in is available. Okay, let me try something like pawannews.com. ZMAD is available. So finding a domain name is not easy, guys. Like, assume that you're married, you have a baby. Finding a name for him also very tough. Correct? People keep on asking you, I have a baby boy. Can you please tell me the names with the T, M, Bolke? You will also go to Google and you will search. He'll give some names. But finally, he'll come from something Chinchu Pinchu only. Okay? But they are very serious about finding a domain names, the baby names, because it will be there for lifetime. This is also the same thing. Once you confirm your name, you can't change it. You have to buy new domain only. You can't change it. That's why you have to be very serious finding what kind of domain I should have. Okay? I'll tell you some rules, what kind of domains you have to take. So as of now, I want to book this pawannews.com. Just click on add to cart. Let's see the cost. pawannews.com, 799 rupees. .in also available, 579 rupees. So I'm clicking on add to cart. It's added. Privacy, some protections asking is not required for us. And click on proceed. Then buy from your debit or credit card, the domain is yours. Is it only required? Domain is purchased. You want something else?
We need something like products.
No, I purchased the domain. Is it enough to create a website?
We should socialize.
No, we should create the whole homepage and all.
Okay. Only domain is enough to create a website? Or something else you wanted? Hosting?
The hosting.
Hosting is required, right?
Yes.
Buying a space is only domain is nothing. So I have to buy a hosting. Can you see hosting here?
Yes.
Hosting means again, here in one server, different websites have been hosted. This is called shared hosting. This is enough for you. But some companies dedicated and VPS hosting. Like when it comes to Amazon, they have a lot of products. So this shared hosting is not enough for them. So they need a lot of hosting. So they'll go for this. But as of now, for you, it's enough. Shared hosting is enough. Just go for this plan. Shared hosting. Now in shared hosting as well, there are plans. Whether you want 50 GB, whether 169 plan, 279, 279, 470. There are different plans. Initially, I'm telling you, you just go for this plan. This is enough. This is enough. When you think that your website is getting a lot of traffic, you can upgrade anytime. So initially start with this plan. So what you are getting in this plan, let's see it. Data center is US, means all your data is stored in a USA data center. If you want, you can choose India data center as well. Cost is same. The server location is USA. If you want, you can change to India. Right. Next. You see here what you're getting? One website. Means only one website you can host. One website data only you can store here. And 50 GB storage. Unmetered bandwidth. How fast? 25 subdomains. Subdomain is nothing but, try to understand this. There is a website called ndtv.com. News and everything is there. And they also have a categories like business, movies, cricket, tech. Now let me click on cricket. See the URL www.ndtv.com. Now see what happens. You think that it will become ndtv.com/cricket. Let's see what happens. What happened? Sports.ndtv.com. See, this is a different website. The look of this is different. The look of this is different. This is a different website. So if you have a brand and you're talking so many things, you can create, this is called a subdomain. Now they have a sports.ndtv, movies.ndtv, food.ndtv, such as so many subdomains are there. In the same way, once you have a domain called powernews.com, you can create movies.powernews, sports.powernews, in such a way 25 subdomains. So total how many websites you can create with this plan?
25 seconds.
Plus main domain, 26 websites you can create. And good news is you will get the domain name for free of cost for 1 year. You don't have to pay money for this. You'll get it free of cost. Apart from that, they are also giving you SSL certificate. SSL certificate is nothing but, can you see this? HTTPS. You'll be getting a HTTPS. I'll show my website here and I'll show something else as well. See this website? Yeah. You can see here HTTPS, there is a lock symbol. It's very secure. And HTTPS. When it comes to this website, weddingshot.in, there is no HTTPS, it's just HTTP only. This is not secure. Okay? Now, assume that you've been to this website, there is a product, you want to buy it. Everything is done, add to cart, checkout, everything is there. But before buying, you see this is not secure. Will you give your credit card details where the website is not secure? You will not give, right? So that's why every website should have a HTTPS. So the Bluehost is giving the SSL certificate. It is giving the SSL certificate. By default, it is HTTPS. And apart from that, CDN, we'll talk later about this. These are not required. Okay. In this plan, if you see the difference between this plan and this is one website only. Here, unlimited websites. Amount is more, but here, your website is pawannews.com. You took another website, pawanblog.com, pawanmovies.com. It's such a multiple domains you can store, not only one domain. When this is important, you are planning only one business, this is enough. You have multiple businesses, go for this. Or else you're starting an agency where you're taking a lot of projects, go for this. And obviously, more money, more advantages will be there. But I'm telling you, this is enough. If anyone want to go for a agency, I recommend go for the Choice Plus. That's it, guys. So I want to go for this one only. Select basic is enough. Right. Now I told you right. Whenever you take a hosting, they'll give you domain free of cost. So let us tie that to memory. pawannews.com. We have already added. I'll be removing it and I'll be adding. See, the pawannews.com is not available for registration because we have added. We've already added already. So let me add something else. See, it's available. Now, fill your details, your name, business, country. I'm just filling the details here. Business name is optional. Street address and your state, your PIN code, your phone number, your email address, and very important thing is this plan. See, by default, he has added for 36 months. But I want to take for 1 year only. If you want, you can take hosting for 3 years as well. But initially, I want to take it for 12 months only. Smartly added for 3 years. Don't blindly go for it. Go for 12 months. Hosting price is this. Then is by default he added the domain privacy plus protection. Uncheck this. I don't want it. I'll tell you guys what is this domain privacy and protection. Whenever you purchase domain, there is a website called who.is. Sachin, there are so many websites. If you go there, type the domain name of anyone's, you'll come to know who is the owner of this website. What is his email ID? What is his phone number? So many marketing people keep on calling you. If you don't want this kind of disturbance, then click on. Keep like this. But I don't want to pay money for that. 37 rupees per month. If they call, it's okay, no problem. If you think, then uncheck this. I'm trying to reduce the cost. Now, the total cost for maintaining a website is 3950 rupees. That's it per year. In order to maintain a website, this is guys, whoever learning digital marketing, who are following this, I recommend you to buy this. Not today, you will buy tomorrow. But as of now, today I'll give you some task, finish the task. But remember, in order to maintain a website for 1 year, this is the cost 3950. Where what you are getting? You're getting a domain, hosting, 25 subdomains. Okay. SSL certificate. What is SSL certificate? What you will get? What you will get? HTTPS secure. This is also getting. These are all the benefits you're getting at the cost of 3990 assume. So 4000 assume it. And every digital marketer, this investment is mandatory because without website, what will you market? So this is important. If you alone can't buy it, as a group you buy it because you have 25 subdomains, right? You can use them. Okay. Then pay from debit or credit card. That is yours. That's it. This is how you have to buy domain and hosting. Now let us have a conclusion here. Till now, in order to create a website, two things are important. What are that?
Domain.
And is a service.
So you want domain. Next,
Service.
hosting. Domain means
Name of the website.
name of the website. Hosting means
Space in server.
space in a server. Now, domain plus hosting equals to website. Guys who are watching this video, if you really want to buy domain, I'll be mentioning the link in the description. Click with that. It's an affiliate link. If you buy from that link, I'll get a commission. For you, it's not extra cost. But to support me, you can click on the link and you can buy so that I'll get some commission. Okay, but don't buy today. Watch the another video, next video, which is coming tomorrow. Then buy it. Today, just I'm playing around. What is domain and hosting? Okay. Now rules. Best domain names. What are the rules? First of all, it has to be simple. Don't take a lengthy domain name like best digital marketing training in Hyderabad.com. Is it good? It's not good, right? So it has to be very simple. See, my website name is ODMT.in. It's a acronym like online digital marketing training. You can take like this. So it has to be very simple. Now see the domain name Ola. How simple is that? Uber, Facebook, Twitter. If you see any brand, their domain names are very simple, and no one will type a wrong name. They plan in such a way there will be no spelling mistakes. Don't take a domain name like shahrukh.com. Why? Because Shah Rukh Khan, if I ask you people to write it, all of you will write it in a different way. SHA, SA, such a way. So take a domain name, very simple. So one of my students took a domain name. She said the domain name is student.com. So I opened it, student.com. But it's going to another website. Then she told me, sir, my website is student.com. There is no E. But how would I know that? And everyone she has to tell that, sir, there is no E. There is no. How many people will tell it? And this guy is enjoying the traffic. So if any spelling mistake is there, don't do it. It has to be very simple. And rule of thumb is try to take less than 10 characters. Don't take more than that. Google says that up to 16 is fine, but who will remember, man? Something like agarwalsteals.com. It is more than 10, but it's not a big deal. People can easily type agarwalsteals. It's not a big deal. But sometimes some domain names more than 12 characters also, it's very tough to remember. That's why try to reduce less than 10 characters. Okay. And I'll give you one secret. Try to, this getting a domain name is not easy. So try like this. Business keyword plus combination. This combination can be your name or a bird name or an animal name or a French name, Spanish name, which is not in your local language. You can try something like this as well. Let's see this. So that Pawan wants to start a digital marketing agency. Then what is the business keyword here? Digital or marketing? Marketing is very big. That's why I want to go for digital. Digital. Combination, your name. Digitalpawan.com. Done. Domain name is done. Or else, digital, you can take a bird name. Any bird name if you have. Assume that flamingo. I don't know the spelling, but I'm writing. Digitalflamingo.com. Or else animal name. Digitalpanda.com. If you try like this, n number of domain names will come. If nothing is working, use some French name or Spanish name, you can try it. So business keyword plus combination, you will try it, definitely get a n number of domain names. This is one thing. Second, contrast. Or else let go for the acronym type like this: ODMT, DSIM, JNTU. Because online digital marketing training is very big, so I don't want to go for it. So I'm just going for ODMT. DSIM, Delhi School of Internet Marketing, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. So you can take something like this as well. This is also good. One more trend is there. What is the spelling of colors? I don't know. When I was studying, this was the spelling. But suddenly they removed this. There is no U now. They call it as a US English, UK English. Chalo. Colors is fine. Okay. But I've seen one website, their domain name is colors.com. It's a big brand. We can try like this as well. Okay. One big brand is there, their name is Colors. You can go with KOLORS as well. This is also good. These days, most of the domains. Do you know any domain name, something like this? Any name? Guys, people who are watching live, does anybody know the domain name which have a spelling mistake like this, like Colors? If you know, just put it in the chat. What about you? Any domain name you know this? Crickbus. Crickbus is proper only. But there are something. This is a task for you. Tomorrow research. There is some brand that tried something like this. You can note down. And the final is, here is the contrast. You want to start your digital marketing agency, you can take name something like this. My student website is Uzi.com. There is no meaning, just start like a Uzi.com. You can start anything.
Yes.
You can start a digital marketing agency, wedding photography, interior design, anything is okay. What do you mean by this Ola? It's a brand. Uber. When they say Uber, immediately one cab you will remember. But there is no, they created illusion such a way that. Okay. Now you see Zomato, the name. When they say Zomato, immediately food, they create an impression. But there is nowhere related to that. Swiggy also same thing. Oyo, Oyo rooms. When they say Oyo, automatically rooms are coming. They created illusion. So you can try any name, man. So contrast also you can try. This is the trend. If you see all the big brands, their name is very contrast. You can try like this. A simple is business keyword plus combination, and brands will go like this. Task for tomorrow is, I want you to find out the domain name something similar to this. Already some brand is there, but they tried something like this. Second is, what are the contrast domain names you saw and which are very popular? This also you have to find it. Okay. So PPC, Namru, Kingfisher. Okay. The domain name she said. So these are all the domain name techniques. Make sure that don't cross more than 10 characters. Less than that only try it. Either go with a business keyword or plus, or acronyms like this, or else go for a contrast or try something like this. Okay. Now everything is fine. You got your website name as a www.oz.com. You have to create a website. Correct? How to create a website? Guys, here there are two ways to create a website: coding, non-coding. Again, coding means HTML, Java, CSS is part of that, PHP. There are so many programming languages where you can create a website. But I'm not going to teach you the coding. Coding is not at all required to create a website. Non-coding versions, the CMS platforms are there like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Magento, Shopify, Wix. Touch with, there are so many platforms. You can create a website. Now people ask me, is it secure to create a website like this? Or is it's good to create a coding? Remember, even though I'm creating a website with a WordPress, I will not write code, but system will automatically write the code. So both are same. If you take HTTPS, it's enough, it's secured. You don't have to afraid. We're taking HTTPS, right? It's secured only. Okay? Few extra steps if you take, these websites are enough. I'll show you a few websites now. Like a simple website. So my website's under construction. Like there is only the logo, some content is there. Click on any website, open website, right click, view page source. You will see that company's code. The complete code is there. In order to display this page, they have written this much of code. If you really want to learn the coding, this much of things you have to learn, which is very tough. But within 5 minutes, I can create this website in a WordPress. You will not write the code. This is designed in WordPress only. Okay, I'll show one more website. Miriam's. I only designed this website for my client. It's a complete e-commerce website. Fine, no code has done here. But see the code here. Again, right click, view page source. See the code. More than 3,000 lines of code is there. I spent around 3 to 4 days and designed this website. You will all able to create this website, and people who watching the live also, you can able to create a website like this without a coding. So no need to go for a coding. Right. Now let's see the task. What task we have for tomorrow? First is find out the branch where their domain name is similar to big brand, but they have changed the spelling. Example, colors, and this guy colors. Type at least 5 brands. Second, name 10 brands where their brand name and kind of business they're doing is contrast. Like we have seen here, right? Swiggy, Oyo, like this. These are contrast. Such a find some 10 brands. Finally, what would be your domain name and what would you like to track? Like to do. Like whether you want to start a travel website, interior design website, or a school or college, then what is your domain? Research and tell me what kind of domain name you find it. Okay? Right. Any questions so far? Is everything is clear? Am I going too fast or too slow? Everything is clear, right? Okay. Right. Guys, people watching here, any questions you have? No questions? That's it. Let me stop the screen. Yeah. So this is the first class. From today, every day, one class will be coming. Complete digital marketing for 6 months. We started with the basics. Today we covered what is domain and what is hosting. Tomorrow I'll be teaching you how to create a website as well. So you can follow this. And if you have any questions, there is my email ID. You can write over here, and even in the chat also you can write. Thank you very much for watching.